In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can make $100 to $300 a day on a regular basis with this super simple method. Let's get into it right now. Hey, what's up video guys, this is Irfan here and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you that how you can make somewhere between $100 to $300 a day consistently with this super simple method. So stick with me until the end of this video guys. This method is gonna save you a ton of time, and also you will be able to make a lot of money with this. But before diving into the tutorial guys, if you're new to this channel, I want you to subscribe to my channel guys. It will help me a lot because I've noticed that over 95% of my viewers haven't subscribed to my channel, which is not really good for me. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe right now. Tap the like button, it's gonna help me more than you think and I much appreciate it. So without any further ado, let's get into this software. It's not a software, it's a website that I want to show you that how you can make money off. So this website is called rumble.com. so this is the main page of this website. So I'm inside SimilarWeb to show you that how much traffic, how many visitors this website gets on a daily basis. So if you go to SimilarWeb and search for rumble.com, you see that they get almost 80 million views per month by just uploading some videos on their website, which is done by other people. It's the same as YouTube guys, but their payout is much better if you want to upload your videos and get paid. So this website is growing substantially guys. They are getting like 80 million visitors every single month, and most of the traffic comes from United States, which is 69%, and 6% from Canada, 3% from United Kingdom, and the rest of them are for tier 1 countries. So all this traffic comes from tier 1 countries, or I would say top tier countries, and it's a huge thing guys. I mean 70% from United States out of 80 million visitors, which is a really high amount of traffic and a quality traffic. So this is the website guys, and 57% of the traffic is a direct traffic that people actively search for this name and they get into the website. So before that, I want to show you the dashboard of this website. As you can see, rumble.com, and the top videos which are trending are right here on the right side. As you can see, this person has earned $8.98. This person has earned $4, and if I go to editor picks, you see that all these people are getting paid by just uploading videos that are not even theirs. So I'm going to show you that how we can do the same thing without recording your own video, without showing your face, without capturing like funny moments in your life. You don't have to do any of this stuff. I'm going to show you how we can get it done so easily. So if I scroll down, you see that for example $3, $14, $10, $160. So let's right click on this video. See that this person has made $160 by just getting 19,000 views. Guys, 19,000 views, $160. It's kind of not possible on YouTube. It takes so much time and so much effort to actually earn this amount of money on YouTube, and in Rumble it's going to be much easier because it's going to go viral much easier and faster. So it's a good advantage for you to use. So $160 by just getting 19,000 views. And again, if I scroll down, you see that this video has got over 39,000 views, and this person has made $111. So the same thing guys, it's just I don't know how long this video is. Daddy? So it's just a 6-second video, and this person has literally got paid $111 by uploading a 6-second video, which is crazy guys. And it's like, it's not gonna take that long. So $61, $7, $64, $37, $59, and the list goes on. So it's not gonna, it's an unlimited number of videos that you can see these people are getting paid for. So this is how it works, but I'm gonna show you a list of top trending videos that you can use in order to upload your videos on Rumble. So let me just pull out my list and then I'll be back. Okay, so this is the list that I wanted to show you guys. So these are the trending topics on YouTube, so you can actually choose and upload it on Rumble. So I'm going to show you how to do that properly in order to avoid any copyright issues. So for example, I'm going to go for daily dose of internet first. So I go to YouTube and then I search for daily dose of internet that I already searched for. So this is one of the hottest topics on the internet, which is so trending, and they get a lot of views per video. So but I'm gonna go for funny dogs. I can go for funny dogs videos. It was one of the most trending ones, but you can go to funny dogs, but you cannot just directly download any of these videos because it's gonna get copyright issue. You're gonna go to filters and then you need to sort it out by Creative Commons. So Creative Commons means that these videos are gonna be royalty free and you'll be able to download them and reuse them. So you can upload them on Rumble, you can reuse them as your own, you can do pretty much everything, whatever you want. So this is how it can be done. Don't forget to do it, guys, otherwise it's not gonna be monetized on Rumble. Go to sort and Creative Commons, and after you're done, you gotta scroll down to find the most trending video that has the most amount of views. So for example, this one has got 7.8 million views. This video has got 10 million views, which is crazy, guys. So if I click on this one, so you see that they got over 30,000 likes with more than 7.8 million views. So if I click on show more, you see that for the license it says Creative Commons attribution license, which is reuse allowed. So this is what we are looking for in order to be able to monetize these videos on Rumble. So after you've chosen after you choose the video, guys, the only thing you need to do is just copy the URL right here, and then we go to the website called y2mate.com. So y2mate.com, and then we just need to paste our link here, and after that we will be able to download this video. So I've downloaded the video, guys. As you can see, it's right here. So if I click on it, you see that this video is fully downloaded, and that's totally fine. So it's a 5-minute video, guys. It's not too long, so I just downloaded it for 11 megabytes, so not so bad. I downloaded it with the highest quality. If you want it, this is not the highest quality, but if you need to download it with the highest quality to be to actually make it more attractive. So this is how it works, guys. I downloaded the video and then I head over Rumble, and then I create my account for 100% free of charge. I already done it, guys. It's free to sign up. So go to your account and then go to upload your video. So you go to this part, guys, and then you upload your video right here. So let's see if I can just drag this video and drop it here. Yeah, I can just drag and drop this video right here. For the video title, I go back to the original video and then I literally copy the title because there's no problem with that. I have the license to reuse this video, so I can copy the title the way it is. So and then I come back to Rumble and then I paste it here. The description is exactly the same. So for example, I go to this one, and then I just copy and paste the first paragraph, and then I paste it right here, as you can see. So the video thumbnails, there are two ways that you can do that. The first way is just choose one of these thumbnails here, which are pre-made, and they are the screenshots of the videos, or you can use the original thumbnail of this video. So for example, if you want to use this thumbnail right here, the only thing you need to do, guys, you just need to copy this URL and then go to Google and search for thumbnail grabber. So search for thumbnail grabber and click on the first link, which is this one, and then paste your link here. As you can see, it's gonna grab this thumbnail for you. So you just need to save this image, and then you just need to save it, and that's done. So you go back to here, and then you click on this one, you upload the image that you downloaded, and that's it. So this is how you actually do that, that if you want to use the original thumbnail of this video. This is how it's done. So you double click on that and that's done. So for the tags are the keywords. So if you want to know that which tags this video has used, the only thing you need to do is just going on the right side. You need to download vidIQ Chrome extension to show you all the stats for this particular video or a particular channel. It's a very useful tool that you need to have if you want to do something on YouTube. So vidIQ is a Chrome extension. This is the logo, and then I can scroll down and I see that video tags right here. So I can literally copy it and then I go back to Rumble again and then I paste it here. So these are the tags that this video has used, so I can do the same thing. So after it's done, guys, I uploaded my video, title, description, thumbnail, and the tags, and after that I can click on upload right here. So this is where the game starts. This is where you want to get paid. So there are 4 options for licensing options. So the first one is video management, which is the exclusive video management excluding YouTube, Rumble only, and personal use. So the way it works is that if you click on video management exclusive, so it means that this video is exclusive to you. You have recorded this video and nobody has the right to actually copy that. And you see that in this case, you will be entitled to 90% of the net advertising revenue on youtube.com. So if it's your video, so it's not. So second option would be actually this is the way it works, that you will be entitled to the 60% of the net advertising revenue on all websites where we place your video. So because this video has already been uploaded on YouTube, so you cannot actually do that because it's been already on YouTube, guys, and this is for when the video is not on YouTube yet and you want to get 60% of the net revenue and they are not going to upload it on YouTube. But since it's already on YouTube, we got to go for the third option, which is Rumble only, and you see that you get 60% of the net advertising again, but it's gonna be only on Rumble and it's gonna be royalty free. So we click on Rumble only, guys, and then after that what we can do is that we can just literally accept the terms and conditions, and after that we click on submit. So after we click on submit, you see that it's going to, so error saving video, please try again. So I think there's a problem with the video, so I'm not sure what the problem is. So if I go to upload your content, oh, everything got restarted, guys. I don't know what happened, but this is how it works. If I go to my content, you see that I already uploaded 2 videos to just test it out. One of them got ad free for, I don't know what the reason was, but the second one is still pending, monetization pending. So I'm waiting for it to get monetized. But I've done literally the exact same thing, but for this video I didn't choose Rumble only. That's why it didn't get monetized. So don't forget to actually choose the third option to get monetized. I'm waiting for this one, but this is how it works. You upload your content. I showed you how to do that, the title, description, and this kind of stuff, and then you click on upload. So this is a really popular trend that I've showed you for the funny dogs, funny cats, cute cats, this kind of stuff. But here's a list of the rest of the videos or rest of the topics which are popular among people, like CCTV videos. If I go to YouTube and search for CCTV videos, you see that even these videos are really popular. 4.4 million views, 700,000 views, 1 million views, 62,000 views, 390,000 views. These are getting a massive amount of views. So if I go to caught on camera or moments, adorable baby videos, if I search for adorable baby videos, you see their views are crazy. 11 million views, 2.2, 6.7, 4 million views. So you can literally sort it out by Creative Commons, and these are the videos that you can literally choose and use it for your own. So it's crazy, guys. It's super cool. You can do pretty much for every single niche or every single video that you want. Don't forget to sort it out by this way. And then sea life, like sharks, turtles, dumb animal videos, and all this kind of stuff too. So this is a list. If you want to take a screenshot, feel free to do that, to actually go on YouTube and find these topics, and after that you can download them the way I told you, and after that you will be able to upload them on Rumble. And I have already showed you that how we can actually do that properly to get your videos monetized. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to tap the like button. It's gonna help me more than you think. And if you're interested in affiliate marketing to learn how to make a consistent income with affiliate marketing, I have a course for you that I put 70% discount on my course right now. You can find the link below in the description. Feel free to check it out. There are 5 modules right now. I'm gonna add more modules, but it's a step-by-step video tutorial to show you how to get started with affiliate marketing from beginner to advanced. And if you have any question, feel free to drop your comments below this video. And